Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today it's all about how to avoid the ice cream liquor. Oh my God, can you believe that? She licked the ice cream and put it back. Do you know how many cartons you bought that have been licked? And oh my God, what about the ice cream shop? Do you really know that the scoop that scooped your ice cream out was not licked before or after scooping your ice cream? And who else had a nice tasty lick of your ice cream cone on the side when you weren't even looking? Stay with me and I'll show you how to avoid the ice cream liquor. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make your own ice cream. Avoid the liquor in the store. You can make marble like this that I'm making right now. You can make chocolate chip, Neapolitan, strawberry, vanilla. It's quick, simple, and easy, and only a few ingredients needed. And if you want to make all kind of food dishes homemade, easy in the simple way, subscribe so you won't miss any videos and hit that bell so you'll get notified. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We have our heavy whipping cream. That's going to be the main base. We have some chocolate chips. You can do chocolate chip ice cream, or right now we're going to do marbled ice cream. So I have a little food coloring here for that. You can use fresh strawberries and do strawberry ice cream, or just use simply vanilla flavoring or vanilla beans for vanilla ice cream. And then you always want a little vanilla flavoring to go in all of your ice cream. Last but not least, we have our sweetened condensed milk. That's going to give us the sweetness. You don't need to add any more sugar to it. It's going to be nice and creamy. So we're just going to go ahead and get started here. We're going to pour our sweetened condensed milk into a bowl and get it mixed in with our vanilla flavoring here. Let me get this all out of the can. I like to get every little bit out of there. Every little bit counts. So you can make all kinds. I've made Neapolitan ice cream before, and I've made chocolate chip before. I've made plain vanilla before. I've made strawberry before. So it just depends on what kind you want. We'll just go ahead and add about a tablespoon of vanilla flavoring in here and get that all stirred up. Once we get that stirred up, then we'll move on to our next step. So you only need about a tablespoon, and then you just want to kind of blend it. Just continue to stir until it's nice and smooth and the color is consistent like this. And then you just want to make sure it's nice and smooth, and there you have it for your sweetened condensed milk with your added vanilla. Now we're going to go ahead and get ready to whip our heavy whipping cream, and you want to whip it into stiff pinks. You want it to be very fluffy. That's going to give you the body for the ice cream. And as always, I have another video that is keto ice cream. You can take a look at that. I'll put the link right above. It shows you exactly how to tell when you have your stiff peaks and how to whip it. So now we have ours all whipped up, and we're just going to divide it into different dishes so that we can add our food coloring to it. And once we get it all divided, you kind of want to make it equal so that when you get ready to marble it, you'll have whatever colors you choose. I'm going to be using blue, green, and yellow today, but whatever colors you choose, you can go ahead and make sure you have equal amounts so that when it marbles real pretty. Okay, last couple of scoops here, and I think we've gotten all of it even, so we'll just go ahead and I'm going to add yellow food coloring into this. And when you mix it, you kind of just want to fold it in. This one's going to be the green, and then the last one I'm going to add the blue and the green to it. So, or I'm sorry, the blue and the green and the yellow, so that we can get the blue color that we need there. And you just want to kind of fold it in. You don't want to stir it, because you want to keep the fluffiness of the whipped cream. And as you can see, it's nice and yellow there. And we're going to go ahead and I like to have it a little bit darker, add a couple of more drops and fold that in real good, and so we can get the pretty color going. So now we have our color mixed in, and we are going to just add in our sweetened condensed milk. We're going to add a little bit into each one. You kind of want to make that even as well, so the sweetness will be in each color as you start to eat it. And when you put your condensed sweetened milk in, you just want to fold it in. You don't want to stir too heavy. Just continue to fold it in until you get one consistent color. Okay, as you can see, we've got all our colors. They're yellow, we have blue greenish, and just a green. So these are nice spring, summer colors. So that's going to be what our marble will look like. Let me just move these utensils out the way. And we're just going to scoop a couple of scoops here and there. It does not matter how you put it in. You just want them different colors next to each other, not all one color in one spot. And then we're going to freeze it. You need to freeze it for at least 6 hours. I like to freeze mine overnight, but at least 6 hours. Then once it gets all set, you can also take a screwer and kind of marble it if you like. But once it gets set, we'll come back and take a look. Okay, so our ice cream has frozen overnight, and we're just going to take a look. See how pretty that looks? It's nice and marbled. The colors have blended in well together. So we're just going to take our little ice cream scoop here and scoop it out. See how nice and creamy that is? It scoops really, really easy, guys. And it's so smooth and creamy and tasty. You've got, now just because this has food coloring in it, it still is vanilla ice cream. It tastes just like regular vanilla ice cream. But like I said, you can do chocolate chip, you can do Neapolitan, any of those will work. Just pick your flavor and go for it. Hey guys, if you want to know more about avoiding different things that may happen in the grocery stores or restaurants and how to cook easy, simple dishes, subscribe so you can get all of my videos and hit the bell so that you can be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm glad you guys came and hung out with me today.